We're trying to figure out if 1 over x is less than 1 over x squared. So look at clue 1. It says x is greater than 0. So if I let x equal 2, I get 1/2 is less than 1/4. And that's not true. 1/2 is greater, so it doesn't work. But if I let x equal 1/2, which is also greater than 0, that would be 1 over 1/2 less than 1 over 1/2 squared is 1/4. And that would be 1 over 1/2 is 2 is less than 1 over 1/4. Remember, you flip it. 2 is less than 4, and that is true. But sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Has to work all the time, so that one does not work. Clue 2 says it has to be a fraction between 0 and 1, and that's what we did up here. We know that works. It's always going to work. So the answer is B.